How to blur the background of your video using an InShot editing application. Blurring the original or artificial background of your video will make that very video to look more professional regardless of the type of devices you recorded the video with. So without wasting much of your time, follow me to the screen to show you how to achieve that using an InShot editing application. Don't forget to share.
Have this very application downloaded on your phone through Play Store, Apple Store. After that, you launch it. It will take you to this very interface. Follow it duly, you will understand. Then you head over to this very video. Since you are working on video, then once you click on that, you come over to this very new. Click on it for me. Then it will take you to your gallery where you will choose the video that you want to work on. So using this particular one as an example, because that is the one we want to work on, you have already selected it. Head over to this very check mark to bring the video up to the editing interface. This is the video itself. Do you understand? This is the video that I want to blur the background. Okay, so once you get to this very place, the next thing which you need to do is to come over to this very place here, to this very particular feature effect. Then having it selected, then move down to this very place, AI effect. Okay, then click on that very AI effect. Once you get to this very place, swipe to the left hand side to review the features by the right hand side until you get to the end of it. Then on getting to that end, kindly head over to this very feature here, which is marked by blur. You can see it there. Once you have it clicked, it will automatically take you to another interface. Okay, you can see how the stuff swiped automatically. So on getting to that very point now, the next thing which you need to do is to get over to this very feature cows. Then on getting over to it, you can see it, the one that I've just circled now. So click it for me. It will now automatically apply the effect on it. Do you understand? You can see it, how the thing has automatically generated the blurring effect on it. Now, if you look on it and you discover that the blurring, the intensity of the blurring is too high, you can head over to this very place now. Let me take this up. Head over to this very place, this particular stuff. Do you understand? And then reduce it. You can take the button left or right. You can see what I'm doing. If you take it to left, it will reduce the intensity of the blurring. If you take it to the right, it will increase the intensity. So by swiping or navigating between the bar will help you to achieve the desired intensity of blur that you want. Okay, so this is how to do it. Let me leave it at this very point. Once you are done setting the intensity at the level you want, then head over to this very check button here and click it for me. Then having it clicked, it will now bring the blurring bar up to the editing interface. Now you have to click and hold and take the bar up to the beginning of the video, and also from this end, and extend it to the end of the video, so that all the part of the video will be affected by the blurring effect. Okay, so once you are done with that, click on this very check mark to authenticate your action. Always remember to remove this very InShot logo here by clicking on this very little X mark. Do you understand? So click on it to remove it before exporting your video. Then click on this particular one, free remove, to have it removed. Then allow it to load. So having it removed, the next thing for you to do is to click on this very button here, save button, to have your video saved to your gallery. This is the end of it. So if you have valued this very tutorial, do well to share to others so that they will benefit from it. In my next video, I will show you how to blur the background of your videos using a CapCut editing application. God bless you.